Hello everyone, welcome back to 5x Crypto, and the code is out for Hamster Kombat. So let's see how you can get 1 million tokens easily. For this, just simply tap 3 times on the earn per tap and this will turn red. After that, we need to type wallet today. We will see how you can do it. First, we need to type W. For W, you need to tap, then hold again. So 2 hold and 1 tap. It will give you W. Now you need to get A. For A, just simply tap once and hold. It will give you A. Now you need double L. For L, just simply tap once and then hold and then 2 taps. We need to get one more L. After that, we need to get E. For E, you need just 1 tap. Then T. For T, just simply hold and release. And this is it. This is how you would be able to unlock this code and get the prize. Simply click on take the prize and it will be added to your account balance. And this is how you do it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the like button for more such helpful videos.